Okay guys, welcome back again. So here we go again. Dito ulit tayo sa ating basic tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to check the quickest and easiest way to check these lights. So yeah, using our Power Probe. So we're gonna check this light if it is working or not. So definitely this is the reverse, tail light and brake light, and this is our indicator. So I'm gonna show you how to use this Power Probe quick and easy, so you don't need to change for any other extra wires, striping off and then jumping to the batteries or whatsoever. So this is the quickest way using this Power Probe. So firstly, I'm gonna show you what's the first step to do to make this tools works. So yeah, firstly we need a battery like this, a 12-volt battery. So we're gonna hook this alligator clip to the earth and to that one, and that powers up our Power Probe. Okay, now we are powering up. So the other end of this wire is the earth that comes from this side. This is our ground. As you can see, there's a alligator clip. So normally these types of lights, the white is always earth. Now we're gonna feed on the tip, which I have the alligator clip. So we just chuck that one in, and the other end should be either way. Which lights you're gonna check: reverse, tail lights, brake lights, or indicator light. So firstly, we're gonna check this. It's either way. So we're gonna hook this one to the red one, which could be brake lights. So all we have to do is just. So here we go. So we're already set. So we're gonna check the brake light first using this Power Probe. So we're gonna do to this active mode. Yep. There we go, active. So we are now on moment. So we're gonna click that one. So we're already set up. So we already have earth on this white, and we have already hooked up this white wire to the red wire. So we're gonna feed battery voltage straight away to this one. So have a look. Press and hold this rocker switch. There we go. Yep. So that's it. So that's the moment. And then the latch is continuous feed without pressing the rocker button. So only pressing the rocker switch once, and it will feed continuous battery voltage from here, going here, and this one will lights up. Let's go. That's it. So I'm not pressing anything, and this continues feeding battery voltage to the light. So we're gonna move on to the pulse. Yep, that's the pulse, and then press OK, and this will flashes 3 seconds intervals. So watch out. Okay. Yep. Bang. 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 Okay guys, we're gonna check this reverse light if it is working or not. So same scenario. We just use this latch. So I can only press once, and it will continuously feed battery voltage from here up to that wire. Let's go. There it is. So yep, that continuously supplies the battery voltage over the tip, and this one works well. So we're gonna move on to the indicator side, which should be yellow one, and there we go. So we're gonna try that one. Move to the pulse, enter, and then press once. There we go. That flashes. Yep. Okay guys, here we go again. So we're gonna test this 4-pins relay. So that's the 4-pins relay. So I'm gonna show you what are the other features for this one. So this tool has the capabilities to check the relay as well. So as you can see, we are already connected to the battery, negative and positive, and it's powering up into our Power Probe tools. So as you can see from here, So that's the relay. So we are already connected from here to there, blah blah blah. So we're gonna test that relay. If that relay is really good. So we are now in the relay. So you can see from that one. Press OK. So 4 pins. So 5 pins and 4 pins. So we're here on the 4 pins since the relay is 4 pins. So as you can see from there, ayun, nagtatagalog pa. Ang relay ay hindi konektado. So yeah, okay. So all we have to do now is just press the rocker switch forward, press and hold, and we'll see if relay is working well. So 1, 2, 3, boom. So here we go. So just press and hold. So that relay is in perfect condition. So as you can see the power from there, relay on. We'll do it again one more time. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that relay works well.